Page number 161. Chapter name is Computer Viruses. You have to open this chapter. Today we will do question answer and book exercise. And turn on cameras, everyone. You have to mark question answer as well as exercise. Show your response with the help of symbols, okay? Or if you have any doubt in any question, please write comment in the chat box. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen with you. Page number 161. This is the book exercise. Now, first question in MCQ, multiple choice questions. First question, which of the following is destructive program to infect the computer system? Yes, virus. Very good. Right answer, virus. Viruses can spread through external source, CD only, floppy only, or pen drive only. Yes, very good answer. External source. Answer is external source. Next, third question, which of the following infect the boot area of computer system? Answer is boot sector. Very good. Yeah, very good answer. Boot sector. Mark this answer. Next, which of the following is designed to detect and remove virus from the computer system? Which of the following is designed to detect and remove virus from the computer system? Answer is antivirus software. Answer is antivirus software. Next question, which of the following is an example of antivirus software? First is multiple type, no, is a type of virus. Again, second one is polymorphic, is a again type of virus. Trojan horse is a virus. Now, last one is smart dog. Smart dog is a type of antivirus software. So mark this. Next question, which of the following spreads through the networks and installed in a computer? Answer is worms. Worms is a type of virus. It will spread through the network, means through the internet. So answer is worms. Next, fill in the blanks. Next question is fill in the blanks. If dash is used, then virus can spread from one computer to another computer. Yes, very good answer. Ria Arora, Utkarsh Gangwar. External source. Answer is external source. External source is used, then virus can spread from one computer to another computer. Very good. Answer is external source. Next, second, fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are example of worms. So here answer is blaster, 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 and configure. Spelling of configure is CONFIGURE. FICKER, blaster and configure are the example of worms. Means these both are the type of worms. Blaster and configure. BLASTER, blaster. And next is configure. CONFICKER, blaster and configure. Next question. Next is, if the computer does not operate properly, that means it has boot sector virus. If your computer does not operate properly, means your computer not opened properly, that means in your computer there is boot sector virus. Virus name is boot sector virus. Answer is boot sector virus. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash and dash are example of boot virus. Dash and dash are the example of boot virus. Answer is disk killer, DISK, disk killer, 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 and stoned, 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 disk killer and stoned. Answer is disk killer and stoned. Next is fifth question. Dash and dash are the examples of antivirus software. So many types of antivirus software available in the market. ठीक है, you can write any one of these. तो वैसे आंसर क्या है? Norton, NORTON, Norton is antivirus software. Similarly, Smart Dog is an antivirus software. Or you can say Quick Hill Total Security is also antivirus. Avast antivirus software. So means many antivirus software available in the market. You can write any of these. कोई भी लिख सकते हो आप इसमें से. So Norton and Smart Dog is written here. Norton, 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 and Smart Dog. Next question. Write true, T for true and F for false against each statement. First question. Antivirus is a program to detect and remove the viruses from the computer system. Yes, this point is correct because antivirus is a software. Antivirus is a program, is used to detect or remove virus from our computer system. This means this statement is true. Answer is true. You have to write T. T for true. Next is Norton, McAfee, and Smart Dog are famous viruses. This statement is false because Norton, McAfee, Smart Dog, these are the example of antivirus software, not a virus. So this statement is false. So here you have to write F. F for false. Next, when computer is infected, the disk drive become inaccessible. When computer is infected, the disk drive becomes inaccessible. Answer is false. Next is quarantine is a special folder or location where antivirus put all the viruses in it. Quarantine is a special folder or location where antivirus put all the viruses in it. Yes, this is true. This is true. Next, Dennis Boot, Disk Killer, Stoned are the example of macrovirus. These are which type of virus? बताओ मैक्रो नहीं है तो किस टाइप के वायरस है ये? These are the type of boot virus. That's why this statement is false. Dennis boot, disk killer, stone, these are the example of boot virus, not microvirus. So according to this statement, it is false. ये false हो गए आपके. Clear? So Dennis boot, disk killer, stone are the example of macrovirus. This statement is false. So you have to write here false. Next, match the column A with column B. So here numbers are written. You have to note down these numbers. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. You have to mark like this. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Trojan horse match with Trojan Wanda. Worm virus match with Blaster Configure. Polymorphic virus match with involuntary or stimulate. Multipartite virus, Emperor. Next, boot sector virus is disk killer. Clear? So numbers are 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Next question, very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. First question, name the destructive programs designed to damage the computer system. Name the destructive program designed to damage the computer system. Answer is virus. Answer is virus. Virus is a destructive program designed to damage our computer system. So answer is virus. Next question. It can infect both boot sector as well as data files. Means name of the virus that infect both boot sector as well as data files. Answer is multipartite virus. Spelling of multipartite is multipartite. Multipartite, TITE last में. Kamakshi spelling is multipartite, not multipartive. Spelling is multipartite, TITE at last. Next question. It is especially designed to detect and remove the infected files. Answer is antivirus. Antivirus is a software program that is specially designed to detect and remove the infected files. Next question. What does virus stand for? What does virus stand for? Here you have to write full form of virus. So virus stands for vital, VITAL, vital information resource under siege. This is the full form of virus, or it is written here in the first page of this chapter. First page of this chapter, vital, VITAL, vital information resources under siege. This is the full form of virus. Full form of virus is vital information resource under siege. UNDER, under siege, SEIZE. This is the full form of virus. Vital information under resource siege. Resource under siege. Vital information resources under siege. Very good. Now, short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. First question. Write the causes of spreading of viruses. Means what are the cause, what are the reasons of spreading of viruses? Go to page number 159. Page number 159. 59. Here you will got a heading, get a heading like causes of computer virus spreads. ठीक है, this heading, causes of computer virus spreads. So there are many causes of computer virus spreads from one computer to another computer. First point, if we use infected external media such as pen drive, floppy, CD, etc., it can spread from one computer to another computer easily. So full point you have to write, if we use infected external media. External media you know very well, like CD, DVD, pen drive. Okay? These are called external media. When you attach this external media into your computer to another computer, then maybe virus will infect your system. अब आपकी पेन ड्राइव में वायरस होगा तो दूसरे कंप्यूटर में जाकर भी वायरस आ जाएगा. तो दिस पॉइंट सेज like this. Then second one point, if we click the link that has virus, will infect the system as virus save on main memory. Means through the link. virus कैसे आता है? Through the link. ठीक है, when you click the link that has virus, और उस लिंक में यदि वायरस है तो वो आपके सिस्टम को क्या करेगा? इन्फेक्ट करेगा. नेक्स्ट थर्ड पॉइंट, if one computer is infected and connected to the network, then it can spread to other connected computer after sharing the infected files. Means if your computer is infected from the virus, one computer means maybe your computer is infected from the virus and your computer is connected to the internet, और मान लेते हैं वो कंप्यूटर जो आपका है वो इंटरनेट के साथ, नेटवर्क के साथ कनेक्टेड है, then it can spread virus to other computer also. ठीक है, तो वो जो वायरस आपके कंप्यूटर में था वो नेटवर्क के थ्रू बाकी कंप्यूटर में वायरस भेज देगा. ठीक है, तो दीज आर द 3 points, 3 reasons of spreading viruses. So this is the answer number 1. Question, write the causes of spreading virus, page number 159. You have to write all these 3 points. There are many causes of computer virus spread from one computer to another computer. These are the 3 points, page number 159. Any confusion in this answer? Any confusion? Okay, very good. Now I'm getting messages. Very good. Okay. Next question. Define boot sector virus. Define boot sector virus. Go to page number 159. Sorry, 157. Page number 157. Here you will get boot sector virus. Question is, what is the question? Define boot sector virus. Page number 157. Here you will get heading boot sector virus. Boot sector virus. So this type of virus infect the boot area of computer system and spread very fast than the program virus. अब ये कहाँ boot affect करता है? They infect the boot area of hard disk and floppy disk and easily spread from one computer to another computer. Or you can write like this, boot sector virus. Boot sector virus infect the boot area of hard disk and floppy disk and easily spread from one computer to another computer. Only this line you have to write. You start from here. First you write heading, boot sector virus. Then you write, it infect the boot area of hard disk and floppy disk and easily spreads from one computer to another computer. This is the answer of second question. Question is define the boot sector virus. Next question, what is logic bombs? What is logic bombs? Come to page number 159. Page number 159. Heading logic bombs. This heading you have to write complete. This is the destructive program, but not like a virus. It gets activated when the program logic is activated. It gets activated when the program logic is activated. It does not replicate like virus. It does not replicate like virus. Logic bomb, this is destructive program, but not like a virus. It gets activated when the program logic is activated. It does not replicate like virus. Next question. Define Trojan horse. Page number 158. Define Trojan horse. Page number 158, heading Trojan horse. This type of virus are not self-multiplied or reproduced by other infecting files, but these can spread if you open the link or attachment of email that has this malicious code. These lines you have to write. This type of virus are not self-multiplied or reproduced by other infecting files, but these can spread if you open the link or attachment of email that has this malicious code. This is the definition of Trojan horse virus. Next is, what do you understand by virus? What do you understand by virus? वायरस से आप क्या समझते हैं? Virus is a destructive program designed to damage the data files or boot sector of a computer. Page number 160, let us recall. Page number 160, let us recall. Heading virus, first, this is first point. From here you have to write, virus is a destructive program. It is designed to damage the data files or boot sector of a computer. Boot sector of a computer. I hope you have marked this answer. Definition of virus. Shreya Jindal, after completing all the answer, I will recall. Okay, Shreya Jindal, don't worry about this. I will recall this question. Don't worry. Next question is long answer type questions. Long answer type questions. First question, write down the symptoms of virus. Write down the symptoms of virus. Page number 159. These are the symptoms of viruses. So many points are given here. You have to write any 5 points out of these because this is a long answer type questions. Maybe this is 5 marks question. Long answer question क्या होंगे? 5 नंबर के आएंगे आपके. ठीक है? So you have to write 5 points at least for 5 marks. ठीक है? So for this answer, you have to write 5 points out of these. So any 5 points you can write from here. Any 5 points. The following are the symptoms of viruses. First point, speed of computer becomes slow. It does not respond or hang up frequently. Programs does not work properly. Unusual error message will appear. Disk drives become inaccessible. Restart the computer after few minutes. Print out don't come correctly, like these. Okay? So any 5 points you have to write. Yes, answers you have to write in fair copy. In the month of February, we will check your notebook once again before the exam. So complete your work. Everything you have to write in fair copy, except this book exercise. Book exercise you have to mark in the book, and remaining thing like very short answer type questions, short answer type questions, long answer type questions, and give reasons. You have to write in fair copy these questions. Next question is explain different types of viruses. This is the very long question. ठीक है, very long. ठीक है, maybe it takes 2 page or 3 page. ये 2 पेज का भी जा सकता है आंसर, 3 पेज का भी जा सकता है. ये डिपेंड करता है आपकी हैंड राइटिंग में. Different types of viruses. Page number 157 and 158. Page number 157 and 158. Questions saying that different types of viruses. Explain karna hai different types of viruses. So we have lots of viruses like boot sector virus, program file virus, macro virus, multipartite virus, polymorphic virus, worms virus, Trojan horse virus, logic worms virus. Okay, so these are the viruses. You have to write all, or at least one line you have to write. ठीक है, एटलीस्ट वन लाइन. देखो फर्स्ट है बूट सेक्टर वायरस. सो बूट सेक्टर वायरस, this type of virus infect the boot area of computer system and spread very fast than program viruses. This much you have to write for boot sector virus. Then program file virus. Program file virus, these virus infect executable files programs such as those which extension .exe, .sys, etc. This line you have to write for program file virus. Then macro virus. Macro virus, these type of virus infect the macro or data files. This much you have to write for macro virus. Then multipartite virus, these type of viruses infect both boot sector and data file programs and are of more than one type. That why is called multipartite or hybrid virus. Multipartite virus is a combination of boot sector as well as data file programs. Okay, that's why it is called multipartite or hybrid virus. So this much you have to write for multipartite virus. Next is polymorphic virus. These type of viruses are very difficult to detect by antivirus software as its code is changed when it transferred to other machine. This much you have to write for polymorphic virus. Mark this. Polymorphic virus, these type of virus are very difficult to detect by antivirus software as its code is changed when transferred to another machine. Next, worm virus. These are the viruses that spread through the networks. This much you have to write. Then Trojan horse. Trojan horse you have to write from here. This type of virus are not self-multiplied or reproduced by other infecting files, but these can spread if you open the link or attachment of email that has this malicious code. This much you have to write. And at last, logic bombs. Logic bombs you have to write होल, यहां तक पूरा लिखना, यहां तक लॉजिक बॉम्ब्स. आफ्टर दैट what is antivirus? Give few examples. What is antivirus? Give few examples. Page number 160. Let us recall antivirus software. Antivirus software is an application software that is designed to detect virus and remove it from the computer system. Antivirus software is a application software that is designed to detect virus and remove it from the computer system. And then question says that example of antivirus software. So we have examples like Norton antivirus, McAfee antivirus, Smart Dog, Quick Heal, Total Security. Write these. These are the example of antivirus software. These are the examples of antivirus software. Next question. What is the function of repair wizard? What is the function of repair wizard? Page number 160. Repair wizard is used to detect a virus. You have to write from here. Repair wizard is used. Repair wizard is used to detect the virus, then removes it and repairs the file. Repair wizard is used to detect the virus, then removes it and repairs the files. Now, all the question answers exercise we have completed. Only give regions are left. These are the two give regions. Why do we need to install antivirus software? I hope everybody knows about this. Why we need, हमें जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर को इंस्टॉल करने की, आपको पता होगा. और why do we run repair wizard, और हम repair wizard को रन क्यों कराते हैं. ठीक है, so these questions you do it by yourself. Question number 1 and 2 in give regions. Only these are the two questions. You do it by yourself. So this is your homework. Why do we need to install antivirus software? And second question, why do we run repair wizard? These two are your homework. You do it by yourself. That's all for today's class.